right, so while Pete was kind enough to put this together while I played Legos with Tommy, he just staked these fencing stakes in. He just pounded those in. We had all this stuff in the shed, so we didn't have to buy anything to make this little enclosure. So we staked these in, put this plastic fencing that is just a remnant piece we had left from another project a long time ago. Attached that, and he attached it to the coop, and then put these little wooden stakes in just to leave a little opening that's big enough for the chicks to get through, but not big enough for the hens to get through. So the chicks have somewhere safe to go where the hens can't get them. There's an opening on either side of this for the chicks to come in and out. We put their food and water in here, so they always have access to food and water, even if the big girls are bullying them away from the food and water a little bit. And hopefully they'll continue to get used to each other and still have some visual contact, but have a safe place to go. You might notice our shade cloth back here. It's been great for keeping it cool in here when on the hot days. It was 90 degrees 2 days ago and then snowed yesterday. So when it's really hot out, the shade cloth is doing a great job of keeping it cooler inside the what we call kind of the inner run here. We do need to do a little work though. The storm has pulled the corner down a little bit, so we're going to just do a couple adjustments on that. Anyway, hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, just click subscribe. Thank you.
Mommy, can you place me with more?
Yeah.